My country people, welcome to the fourth lesson of our mathematics classes in Pidgin. If you dey new to this page, simply click the subscribe button below or the plus sign or follow button above to always get our new videos. Also, make you go back to our previous videos to watch them from beginning now wey dem still dey few. Today, we wan critically compare Roman numerals with Arabic numerals. As the smallest number in Roman numerals na I wey be 1, we wan begin our comparison with I. 1, I 2, I 3, IV 4, V 5, VI 6, VII 7, VIII 8, IX 9, X 10. Oya, carefully observe places we had connections to standard Roman numerals and standard Arabic numerals. Make we continue. XI 11, XII 12, XIII 13, XIV 14, XV 15, XVI 16, XVI 17, XVIII 18, XIX 19, XX 20, XXI 21, XXII 22, XXIII 23, XXIV 24, XXV 25, XXVI 26, XXVII 27, XXVIII 28, XXIX 29, XXX 30, XXXI 31, XXXII 32, XXXIII 33, XXXIV 34, XXXV 35, XXXVI 36, XXXVII 37, XXXVIII 38, XXXIX 39, XL 40, XLI 41, XLII 42, XLIII 43, XLIV 44, XLV 45, XLVI 46, XLVII 47, XLVIII 48, XLIX 49, L 50. I believe say we all don't understand as the Roman numerals are gradually formed. Notice say that for every 4 and every 9, na the Roman numerals they introduce another standard Roman numeral. Now, make we move in tens from L wey be 50 to C wey be 100. L 50, LX 60, LXX 70, LXXX 80, XC 90, C 100. Now, where we don't understand wetin we dey do, make we move in hundreds till we reach M, wey be the largest standard Roman numeral. C 100, CC 200, CCC 300, CD 400, D 500, DC 600, DCC 700, DCCC 800, CM 900, and M 1000. As we don't go through all Roman numerals from 1 to 1000, where we can notice say now for every 4 and every 9, now in the Roman numerals they introduce another standard Roman numeral. Now, you go fit find the points where Arabic numerals they introduce another set of standard Arabic numerals. Oya, make you drop your answer at the comment section. I hope say you don't learn something today. Oya, click subscribe below, the follow button above, or the plus sign above as the case may be. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up button. Comment below for your questions and contributions. Oya, jejely share the video to all those where they complain say they no sabi Roman numerals. Ngwano, kodizikwa kanya furo.